Adu Markaz. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan, was born on December 25, 1876, in a house known as Wazir Mansion located in Karachi. His father's name was Jinnah Punja, and mother was Mithabai. He belongs to a merchant family. He was a great politician and a well-known lawyer of his time. He struggled a lot for the freedom of the Muslims of subcontinent, and on the behalf of his extraordinary efforts, he was rewarded with the title of Quaid-e-Azam, the father of the nation, by Maulana Mazaruddin. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah received his early education from Sindh Madarsat ul-Islam and Christian Missionary School. He went to England for higher education and got admission at Lincoln's Inn Law School in London. At the age of 20 he enrolled in Bombay High Court. When he came back to British India, he was the youngest one to enter the bar, where he started to take interest in political affairs of the nation and became famous in the next 3 years. The Advocate General of Bombay invited him to work for his bar, and after 6 months offered a salary of 1,500 rupees per month, which was the huge amount that time, but he gently refuses the offer and stated that he planned to earn 1,500 daily and proved it possible in future by his flawless efforts. But as a Governor-General of newly state Pakistan, he fixed 1 rupee as his monthly salary. He was the man of the judiciary and sensible personality. Jinnah started his political career with Indian National Congress in 1906, then after 7 years, he joined the Muslim League. He struggled a lot to bring Congress and Muslim League to work together, but at the same time, he found the culture of racialism in the subcontinent and realized that the Muslims of the subcontinent are sacrificing their cultural and social rights under the British and Hindus. Then he started his efforts for the freedom of Muslims of British India and planned to create an independent state where Muslims could feel the breath of freedom. The major strength was the unity of all Muslims organizations in this freedom war, and it is the leadership of Quaid-e-Azam which unites all the Muslims of the subcontinent on the same agenda of having a separate state. The creation of Pakistan is the result of bloodshed of thousands of freedom fighters as well as the leadership of Jinnah. Pakistan would not come into being without him. He was a man of his words and the greatest spokesman. He always stood like a rock in front of opponents and never lay down. Gandhi called him an impossible man, due to his determinacy over his principles. Jinnah said, "Think 100 times before you make a decision, but once that decision is taken, stand by it as one man." In 1930 he became an undisputed leader of all the Muslims of subcontinent and started to lead Muslim League in 1933. In 1940 Pakistan Resolution was drafted by Muslim League at Minar-e-Pakistan Lahore, which has been proved as a backbone in the War of Freedom. After the Pakistan Resolution passed, he worked day and night and did not worried about his health, which was going down day by day, but he kept it secret and never disclosed it to anyone. His sacrifice was not for his own interest but for the whole Muslim nation. It was due to his wise leadership and vigorous effort that Pakistan came into being on August 14, 1947. He was fighting with tuberculosis for many years but never made it his weakness, died on September 11, 1948, just 13 months after the creation of this beloved homeland. Thank you very much.